The Bugatti Mistral just set a new speed record for an open-top road car. The W16 powered roadster is 21 miles per hour faster than originally thought. Bugatti's W16 era is almost over. But the company still has a few feats left to accomplish before moving on to the V16 hybrid tourbillon. Bugatti's Andy Wallace recently set a new convertible speed record, reaching an astonishing 282 miles per hour in the Bugatti Mistral. But could it have gone even faster? Despite the cold November weather, Andy faced the challenge head-on. "I didn't choose the day," said Andy. Moisture on the windshield made him question the grip, but he didn't use the wipers, fearing they'd fly off. Surprisingly, the Mistral's cabin was calm. "My helmet's not even moving," Andy noted. The noise from the air was intense, nearing deafening levels, but the ride remained smooth with zero vibration. At Papenburg, Andy navigated under a low bridge at over 200 miles per hour, feeling the car shift due to air interactions. He avoided the lane near the barrier to maintain stability, ready for any surprises. Exiting the banking at 155 miles per hour, Andy accelerated rapidly. "Even at 300 kilometers per hour, you still have serious acceleration," he said. The Mistral was still climbing past 282 miles per hour, hinting at its untapped potential. "Then I go one lane across, it's pinned, and then it's quite an incredible feeling. Even though you're going 300 km/h, you still have serious acceleration. I mean, you can really feel it. All the numbers are clicking around, but then you get 2/3 of the way down the straight, and the numbers are still clicking, but they're clicking a bit slower, and you are willing them to come on more and more and more. But I would say that's a pretty decent speed, 282 miles per hour without a roof." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.